Hello, if this video comes across your YouTube feed, it's because you're looking for a stay-at-home mom of 3 who decided to start her life over in her late 30s, who embarked on a journey to find herself again, to find the things that bring her joy, pivot in her late 30s when it comes to a career choice, and just keeping it real and honest when it comes to solo parenting and being in a long-distance marriage. It is not a coincidence that you came across this video, and I welcome you to my channel. So I know you're wondering how I'm even in this situation. Well, to be honest, unfortunately, my husband has not been able to get a job transfer. I decided to leave everything behind and move me and our 3 children up to Austin, Texas, start life anew. I know you're wondering what happily married woman would do something like that. Well, for one, God called me to do it. And for 2, yes, I'm a happily married woman. And yes, I'm a mom of 3. But in the end of the day, I have a calling on my life. I have a purpose on my life. Sometimes you just outgrow certain environments and certain spaces that aren't meant for you to embark on the things that God has called us to. So I took that leap of faith 2 years ago. I want to share more of that journey here on my YouTube channel. But before I talk about that, let's catch up and see how life has been lately. Outside of being a stay-at-home mom, I'm also a content creator / influencer. Also, I'm on a journey to become a certified nurse midwife. Now, when it comes to content creation, I wanted to move to Austin for more opportunities. Where I was living along the border, I was not getting any opportunities. I'll get a few here and there, but in this industry is not only about who you know, but it's also about where you live. As someone who wants to elevate, who wants to grow, and I want to take my brand to the next level behind where I was to go to where the opportunities are. Could have went to Dallas, I could have went to Houston, but God called me to Austin. Good morning, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well and having a great week so far. So I'm here at the domain and I'm about to go get some work done. Plan on bringing back my well-balanced diaries because I think now I am mastering the beauty of balance, especially in this season of solo parenting and, making sure that I find time for myself, but also with the kids being busy with all these activities and all the things that we have been doing, all the traveling for competitions and stuff like that. It has been a task in balancing life, but I feel like I'm at a place now where I'm actually finding the beauty in balance, and I think I'm doing a pretty good job. If anything, I'm gonna find a way to take care of myself and to find time to myself because I have to. If I don't, I'm going to lose myself again, and I rebuke that in the name of Jesus. I will not lose myself again ever in 2026. Okay, so we're here at the domain because for one, I haven't been in a while. So now that the weather is getting better, and also, I work from home and everything, just switch up my workflow, like where I work at and stuff. So I'll find like a little coffee shop, a little area to do work that's quiet outside of the home, because people don't talk about how hard it is to balance work and be at home. Okay? Because the way I be looking at my laundry, but I should be editing, or I should be checking emails and stuff like that, it is hard to. Now that's a balance. That's a hard balance. Now that's something that I'm struggling with when it comes to balance, is working from home but not feeling tempted to like clean and declutter and stuff like that. So I have to, sometimes I just have to get out of the house to work and focus and get back aligned with my goal, because I would sit there and look at the laundry or I'll look at the dishes and I'm like, girl, you need to be working, but I know you want to clean. Right now, I've been in the process of finding like a cleaning service. So like an actual service, like hopefully like 2 to 3 people that can come into our house. So I gotta keep working hard and all of that so I can outsource to give a life of ease to me and my family. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking for a cleaning service to come to our house, because that way while I'm at home, if I am working at home, they can be cleaning. Cleaners are there. I gotta be there just for my peace of mind. But anyways, that's besides the point. So we outside today. We're going out and pop outside. We're outside today, having a solo day. About to get some work done. Then I'm gonna just walk around trying to get my steps in, and then I want to go to Sephora because I am out of my Danessa Myricks blurring I forgot what it's called. But yeah, and so I need that for my makeup, and then I want to go to the beauty supply store because I actually started a series. I don't know if you guys are following me on TikTok and Instagram. Make sure you're following me on those platforms. But I started a series about Black excellence here in Austin, Texas. When I first moved here, obviously people say, "Oh, there's not a lot of Black people. There's not a lot of Black culture here." But we out here, okay? The more I come outside, we definitely out here, especially on the north side. So just to showcase the Black culture and also the Black excellence that exists here in Austin, I started a series on there about Black excellence here in Texas. I started it during Black History Month, but I want to continue it because Black history is 365, okay? Of course, this country gave us a month to just say, here, dang, celebrate y'all. But we know a lot of things exist because of Black people. Believe it or not, there's Black excellence here in Austin, and I want to showcase that on my platforms. So in case you visit Austin or you live in Austin, you don't get out the house like I don't, people do their research on TikTok and stuff like that. I find my stuff on Facebook, okay? Like maybe I'm a little old head, maybe I'm a little seasoned, I'm a little old head, but I be finding stuff on Facebook, okay? So I want to go there because I need to do something with this hair. I want to braid my hair now that it's high. I'm training for my race. I'm growing my hair out and stuff like that. So I want to just protect the style of my hair. So yeah, I just want to protective style my hair until after my race. Just want to give my hair a break from the tracks and sew-ins and stuff like that for now. I plan on taking some brand photos. I have to schedule with my photographer here, but I want to take some like updated brand shots for like my brand and stuff like that because I got to come back strong. Y'all got to come back strong. But anyway, so when I do that, I will put my sew-in back in. But for now, because of this raise and traveling and stuff like that, I just want to do my hair. So I want to do boho Marley twist because I love Marley twist. Y'all know I love me some Marley twist, but I want to make it boho. But we know most people get boho braids when they're going on vacation. We're not going on vacation. We just want boho braids. We just want boho braids. I want to check out this beauty supply store. It's called Star Beauty Supply. I will leave the link down below, but I definitely want to check it out and see what she got. And yeah, so me on my solo day. And yeah, let's have fun before we have to pick up the kids. Came to do work. I forgot my laptop at home. I forgot my laptop and my charger. All I have is my iPad. But let's see how much charge I have. I have 33% on my charger. That is crazy. Like, I seriously, that's my work bag and my travel bag. It holds so much. But I forgot my laptop. So how I'm gonna do work? I guess that means I'm supposed to really enjoy myself today and not worry about work. Although things have been perfect, things have been up and down. Although I've been doing this for 12, 13 years now. Since 2024, that was the first year I've made the most money as a content creator. But as of late in the past year, things have been really slow. Opportunities have been drying up. But I'm not a quitter. I trust God's timing. I just gotta continue to do the work. And in due time, I will reap the harvest as long as I don't give up. Here, Austin has exposed me to so much more, and I cannot wait to see what more is in store for me as long as I keep doing the work, especially having you guys rocking with me and supporting me, my family, especially all these years. I love y'all. But also just being here, I'm so excited to see what more is there to offer for me. The beauty supply store that I just came from, Star Beauty Supply. Everything was organized, everything was clean, it's huge. But I'm not trying to be funny when I say this, but it was nice not being followed or watched. You know, when you go to certain beauty supply stores, if you know, you know. And I do not like that. If I feel any kind of way, I will leave, okay? Like, you will not get my money. So anyways, I got what I needed. So there's a Jamaican place. It's called Tony's Jamaican Food, and it's authentic Jamaican. I want it so bad. Y'all want some Jamaican food? Should we go try out Tony's Jamaican Food? Let's go check out Tony's Jamaican Food. All right. Like I said, I want to start sharing a little bit more of what Austin has to offer. I said before, I could have went to Dallas. I could have went to Houston. But God called me here to Austin. And honestly, I like it. I like what it has to offer. I love what it has exposed me and my children to when it comes to University of Texas, when it comes to outdoor things. Like, I have become an outdoor girl. You hear me? I don't even like sweating. I don't like bugs. But one thing about me, I love being outdoors. And it's because of Austin. Even when it comes to health and wellness, wellness, which I'll talk about later on in this video. Obviously, it's smaller compared to Houston and Dallas, but what it has offered me and my family compared to where we were before, I'm so grateful. And like I said, God called me here, and since being here, it has given me exactly what I need, especially in this season where I may not know the reason why, I may not know all the details, but as long as I step out on faith and I trust God and his timing, it has been good for my soul. It has been good for my health and wellness, good for my business, and I know in due time, more opportunities and business will continue to come my way. Now, of course, I'll share more of my routine as the days go. Obviously, I take care of the kids, take them to school, their activities and sports, and then when daddy comes home, that's when it's family time. So we try to find different parks, outdoor things. My husband is an outdoorsy guy, so we try to find family things for us to do, find different parks, different outdoor things to do. So we save all the fun and good stuff for when daddy comes home on his days off. I'm in my late 30s, and this is the first time in my life I've ever been intentional about my health and wellness, especially about what I'm putting in and out of my body. It comes to what my kids are eating and consuming and all of that. Living in Austin to thank that for, because health and wellness is a big thing here in Austin. And since being here, I look at the ingredients. I don't know, y'all not paying attention, but the food is killing us. All these artificial flavors, these bioengineered ingredients, the artificial dyes. But had I not moved here, I would not have known. And I'm just so grateful for the exposure and the things I am learning. So if you would like to learn more, let me know as well. Hello, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well. Y'all, new week, new hair. Do some boho. So I have the curly hair here. I feel like I should have gotten like looser way. I feel like this is too curly. I've been doing my hair all day and I need to spend time with my babies. Put some flexi rods at the end, dip it in hot water, insert the boho hair, and then I should be good to go. I haven't had Marley braids in a while, but for one, so I just wanted to protective style. Hot, it's supposed to be hot again here in Austin, like in the 90s. So I'm going to be running my first race. So since I have to practice and train for that, I was like, I don't want my, I don't want to sew in. I don't want to be sweating and sewing and my lace be showing and stuff like that. I love Marley braids. I love my Marley twists. They are my go-to, and I can style them, put them up to, and all of that. Right now it is spring break. So we are home for spring break and we are resting because, as you guys see and have seen, that we have been on the go constantly. We've been on the go from San Marcos to Dallas to here and there. So we are resting. Of course, they intentionally do it, but the prices are higher because I guess everybody in Texas is on spring break at the same. Let me know if I'm correct, but I think all of Texas is on spring break at the same time. So the prices are 3 times higher. Okay, Big Guy wasn't able to have spring break off, so we couldn't really do anything anyway. Like I said, the weather's gonna be beautiful. South by Southwest should be ending tomorrow, so I wanted to wait until like most of the crowds went home so that way I could take the kids out to do stuff. Tomorrow we'll plan out the rest of the week. Like I said, I gotta finish my hair. I wanted to break from sew-ins because I've had a sew-in in my hair. Well, I've had clip-ins for months. Then I got a sew-in. And then I redid my sew-in. So my hair really hasn't been breathing like that. Yeah, we have a lot to accomplish and get done in the later part of this week. So that's why I wanted to just rest. But yeah, because I got to get my life in order. I need to get my life together. I need to get more organized. Like, our house is in shambles. This break, I need to find a cleaning, not just one housekeeper, but I would love like a maid service or like a cleaning service with like, 2 to 3 people, because it'll help, just to make time go faster. Because when my solo days are here, I don't like to waste time. You feel me? So I want to make sure that the house gets clean. I don't trust people enough to be leaving them in the house by themselves when I'm gone. If they had more help to get the process done a little faster, that would be great. And so that's what I'm looking for and all of that. So yeah, so let me go ahead and wrap this hair up because I'm tired. I'm really tired. If I don't fall asleep, I'll just get up and try to edit another video so I can have that live for y'all. It's funny because I had to buy a bigger bonnet for my braids because this one here, this is just an average size one, but I had to buy a jumbo one. It might be the same. Does it look the same? No. Yeah, you can tell this is extra large. So yeah, so let me get my hair wrapped, go take care of my babies, and we'll see you guys mañana. Younger Chrissie had no idea that this was the plan for her life. I did not know over 2 years later, I would still be solo parenting, being in a long distance marriage. I know we're not supposed to question God, but sometimes I just have to ask why. Why is this happening? Why are we in this situation? Aren't things working out for my husband? Why do we have to be in this situation? But had I not embarked on this journey, I would not have known what was for me. Even though every day has its own set of troubles, and this journey has been so up and down, y'all. Oh my goodness. I am so proud of myself for taking this leap. I felt that nudge from God to do this. Of course, I questioned it. I was like, God, are you crazy? Are you insane? But since taking that leap and saying yes to him, it has opened so many doors. It's shifted so much inside and outside of me. You know, in society, it is rare to hear a happily married woman doing something for herself. But I'm so grateful and blessed to have a supportive husband that wanted the best for me, truly supports me in everything I do, my faith, business endeavors, and so much more. It is such a blessing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and please follow along. About to stay consistent, about to bring you guys along the journey, especially with what is ahead for us as a family. So I love you guys and stay tuned.